Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making these black velvet cookies. These are guaranteed to be the talk at this year's Halloween party, so let's get started. Okay guys, so to start off these cookies is quite simple. You're gonna add it to your bowl, a cup of sugar and 2 sticks of butter. You're gonna cream these together. Make sure your butter is nice and soft and at room temperature. Go ahead and add the rest of your ingredients. This is an egg going in, 2 tablespoons of coffee. And this right here is baking soda, baking powder, and salt. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And for the ingredient that makes these cookies super black and wonderful looking, this is dark cocoa powder. I'll leave the link for this down below. I got this one from Amazon. Wow, look at that color. Have you ever seen such a dark cocoa powder? It's literally black. Now guys, let's say you couldn't get your hands on that extra dark cocoa powder. You can always substitute with crushed Oreo cookies. Lastly, I'm gonna add 2 cups of flour, and once this is incorporated, I'm gonna chill it in the fridge for 30 minutes. And once the dough is chilling in the fridge, you can go ahead and start the frosting. This right here is a cup of powdered sugar and a half a cup of that black cocoa powder. You're gonna whisk it together with a cup of heavy cream and 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. You're also gonna need a little vanilla extract as well. Here's the chilled dough. I'm gonna take a scoop and plop it down on a parchment lined baking sheet. All right, and these are gonna bake for around 15 to 20 minutes. These are pretty big cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The oven is preheated. This is what they look like. They're halfway there. Look how ginormous these are. They're gonna be so good. All right, so they're ready. Look at these cookies. They are so cool. Now for the fun part, I put the frosting in a Ziploc bag and I just cut off the corner. I'm gonna go around and just make a circle around the cookies. Alright guys, and now for the best part, taste test time. Aren't these so cute? They look like some kind of weird little creature, especially with those little eyeballs. If you guys want to get these eyeballs, I'll leave the link down below where I got them from. Let's cut this open and see what it looks like. Oh my god, it's so dark inside, you could barely even see it. They look like soft Oreos. Ooh. Oh. Let's give it a try. These for sure taste like red velvet. It's probably that cream cheese frosting. These cookies are just like so moist inside. They're hands down one of the best cookies ever. That frosting, the tenderness of the cookie, they're slightly crispy on the outside. These will definitely be the hit at your party because when people see this color, they're gonna be like, what is that? If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried it out, and as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.